Hi and welcome to the Malat Cookery channel. So for the evening meal tonight I'm going to be making Jamaican jerk chicken. So this recipe is a little bit different to the others that I've made because I'm actually going to show you how to make the Jamaican jerk seasoning from scratch, and then obviously we're going to be placing that onto the chicken. A full list of ingredients for this will be given at the end of the video. Let's have a look at those ingredients now and anything else we're going to need for today. Okay, so the ingredients, let's start with the actual rub itself. This is really simple. So I've got 2 tablespoons of paprika. I've got a teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of brown sugar. Going to be using some chili powder. It's entirely up to you how much you use. I'm not really into spicy food. I do like this dish though because of the flavour. So I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder. You can add more if you want to. This is a mild chili powder. Obviously you can go hotter. The key ingredient now for this rub is pimento or allspice. This is a sort of signature flavour for this Jamaican rub. And we're going to be using about a teaspoon of this, maybe slightly less. I haven't used this brand before, so I need to see what the strength of it is, but just be careful with the pimento. It can overtake the other flavours if you're not careful. Other ingredients, so I've got chicken. I'm using bone-in chicken thighs. I think they're really flavourful, so that's what I'm using. You can use chicken breast fillets if you like. Also going to be using about 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey, and to the honey I'm going to mix a little boiling water from the kettle just to loosen that honey up a little bit. So the first job then is to put all of the ingredients for the dry rub in a bowl. So just going to combine all of those ingredients together. Okay, so we've got our honey in a bowl. Just going to add in a little bit of hot water, probably a tablespoon. Again, this is just to loosen this honey up. If we didn't do this, then what would happen is once we put that Jamaican jerk seasoning in here, it would almost go solid. I want to use this as a basting sauce for the chicken. Okay, next thing is to add in our Jamaican jerk seasoning. So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in to begin with. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so just add in 1 more. That's enough. I'm just going to mix this thoroughly and then we'll start to coat the chicken. So I've got the chicken in an oven-proof dish and I've lined it with kitchen foil. The reason I've done that is because we have honey and sugar, and when you add heat to that it normally turns to concrete, and I don't fancy cleaning these trays. So next thing to do is we want to coat the chicken. Really important, because what I want to do is use some of this basting sauce throughout the cooking period. Really important that we don't touch the chicken and then put whatever we've touched the chicken with back into the bowl, because as we get to the end of the cooking period you quite easily forget that we've done that. We can then baste the chicken for the last 5 minutes, and any raw chicken juices that are in that basting sauce then might not get cooked all the way through. So I'm placing, if you're using chicken pieces, skin on and bone in, I'm placing the chicken firstly skin side up. So I've put the oven on to 180 degrees centigrade, get that up to temperature before the chicken goes in, and then I'm going to be basting the chicken every 10 minutes and also obviously turning this chicken over to baste the underneath. Okay, let's turn these over. Wow, it smells delicious. As I said before, this allspice or pimento, it's a very, very distinctive fragrance, and obviously taste as well. Again, just make sure you're not putting anything that touches the chicken back into that marinade. So we'll also clean the brush as well between bastings, just to be on the safe side. Probably got maybe another 2 turns of this before it's ready. So there you go, Jamaican jerk chicken. You can make it as spicy as you like. As I said in the video, I don't really like the spiciness, but I really do like the flavour. Please subscribe to the channel, and as usual, if you've enjoyed this particular video, hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.